Today I'll be showing you how to do kinky twist. So you want to use kinky, Afro kinky hair extension. You can also use human hair. And then what you're going to do is you're going to split the hair, your own hair, into two. So you can see how I use my fingers to split it into two. So now you're going to have one hair that has the extension and one hair that doesn't have the extension. So you are now have three hair. So you're going to start braiding, and as you're braiding, you'll notice that you have one hair that is your own hair that doesn't have the extension, and I'm going to show you right here how it looks like. So right here you can see that this hair doesn't have the extension. Now you're going to join this up so that now you have two strands you are working with. As you twist, so that the twist doesn't get unraveled, what you're going to do is that you're going to turn one strand before you join it up with another one. So you can see how I'm taking the one on my right hand side and I'm turning my fingers, and when you do that, it helps to lock in the hair. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you want to tame the fly away, you can use gel on the hair before you start twisting.